Hi, all. Good evening. How are you all? Hope you all are safe, and I'm happy to see you all once again. So it's raining outside. Network is little bit poor, so I have kept it in mute. All of you. So whatever the question will be, so please ask in the chat. So will shall we start? Can you see the banner over here? When India presents passion to profession. Means the concept of the session is women empowerment. When does the same empowerment, courage, and the spirit of womanhood by helping women. So shall we start? Passion to profession. Like time to turn your passion into profession. Passion will be a hobby of baking. Passion will be a like baking, cooking, snacks, masalas, whatever it is. Not only food and all. Means whatever the unique thing do you have in your this. So we can start your means your product. You can launch. You can promote your product into the market. So that is the passion to the profession. Will I will share one screen. Wait. Why this question are here? Why, what, who, and when? Can you connect this? Oh, nice. I can see one question in our chat box. So the first question came. First point. Why? Oh, yes. The question is why, how will connect with this in our business. Okay, so we'll clarify this question. Why? So why means it's up to you. It's you only, your product only, because you know your products. You only good in your product. So you only think why my product is good. Why I have to promote. Why I have to brand, because my product is unique. So the first question is why, and why means which, what product do you have, what innovative innovation, what ideas do you have. You have to be a, what will be a passion like baking. So baking, why baking, why snacks items, why. So next question will be coming in what. I can see in the chat box the second question is here, what stands for. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. We'll clarify this question also here. What stands for? Yes. Good question. I like it. Yeah. What means the stands for your product can be same. Suppose you are doing snacks business. Snacks business. So many are there in the market, but why your snacks is different from the others? Your USP. Think about your USP. Like your snacks will be a vegetarian only, vegan only, or non-vegetarian. Suppose you are using preservative, no preservative, using preservatives, no preservatives, fresh preparation, fine quality ingredients, hygiene, clean. What will be the under the what? My product is what? My USP. And next is who. So who will be your customer? First target, first study, market study is very necessary. Who will be your customer? Office peoples or families, or where you have to brand your product. Your product should talk, not you. Here in chat box some questions are coming. Snacks business from home, how to connect with this question? So ma'am, uh, as I explained before also, why, what means your product. Snacks, I have given example snacks only. So snacks, under snacks it's so many are there in the market. So what is your unique product? What is in your product? What is your USP? So you have to connect like, yes, my product is in snacks, suppose chiwda. So how your chuda is different, how you will sell it, you have to think about the, like, who will be my customer. And snacks, suppose when, suppose fourth point is when. So chiwda is your product, so you will sell your product and promote your product during the festival times, so the footfall is more. Diwali time, Dashera times, suppose you will add your product on Slack time, so you will not get a response. So you have to analyze all these questions first, and then you have to start your branding, promoting, promotions, whatever it is. Yeah, one more question is here, ma'am. Shall we need license from home? Suppose we do business from home. Yes, you are doing food business, so you need manufacturing business, like you are making, or you are, suppose you are making, so yes, manufacturing license you have to be there with you, because you are making at home. And suppose only you are outsourcing, so you have be a market license, like selling, we call selling license, FSI for food, that is will be a different. So license, it's a compulsory. And one more point I want to share with you here. Uh, with this license and all part, when India help women to get it done, license and all, any queries or any help, or you don't know how to get the license, so we are helping women over here in When India, so we get it done from for them. Okay, one more questions came in the chat box. Ma'am, don't know how to convert customer. Sir, same as the same thing. Uh, this question is your answer. I think it's the last question. So maybe I don't have to explain more, because you will understand why, what, who, and when. In all this, you have your product placement, portability, price, and packaging. So all the points are uncovered under the why, what, who, and when. Any other questions? And where we have to promote our product, social media, mouth publicity, that also you have to be think about your product, where I will sell, where I will put it. And for that only, suppose you have a confusion, or you are not clear with this point, or you have lots of doubts, or you are not good in, means your product is good but you are not good in technology, or you are good in technology but you don't have product properly or packaging it properly, because you are struggling with the packaging materials or what. So when India supports women, those who want to grow your venture, like we give hands-on training, we give digital marketing session, we have that sessions also, we have a team. So license part also we are helping women. So when India gives. And at last, any question, any doubts? So we can go. Yeah, one more question. Can I see over here? We are preparing food at home and supplying to neighbors. Can we sell on Swiggy? Yes, of course, you can sell on Swiggy, Zomato, Denso, in everywhere online platform. So for this, you need license, GST. Further details, when India group at the rate of gmail.com. Any other doubts? One more question I can see over here. How sustainable is food business? It's a long term business. First 3 years, first 3 years, you have to be a concentrate on your quality products brings to you means quality because you are doing from home, homemade food products, different varieties, options, and reasonable price delivered at reasonable price with a convenient and healthy packaging. So this all points you will take care of, so it's very, yes, it's sustainable business. One more question I can see in chat box. I want to start new food business. Is it good time to do now? Yes, of course. It's the good time to start because everybody are looking homemade food kind of and health conscious. This pandemic situations, everybody are very conscious about the health, immunity, looking for immunity and all. So healthy snacks item or healthy food or immunity boosting food and all, so you will concentrate on this USP. So definitely you can start, this is the very good time to start your business. Any other, or we have to shall I go forward, shall I move? So I want to share one more things. Here's you can see when India Awards 2020. So registration now open. Nominate yourself, not yourself, your friends, families, not in Karnataka, Bangalore. This is a virtually award function. So all can participate from out of Karnataka people also. So nominate yourself, your friends, family members. Contact us wanindiagroup@gmail.com. You are interested, and we have more EDP programs, functions, sessions, trainings. Thank you.